I'm so excited to offer the freshly restored 1973 Kawasaki Z1 New York Steak. This bike has been totally dismantled, totally restored. We didn't leave anything left undone. We tried to use as many original components as possible: fenders, speedo tack, headlight, and we powder coated the frame, vapor blasted the engine, painted it. It was totally dismantled. It was we replaced all the bearings, all the seals, bored the barrels, put new pistons in. The head was sent out to a professional head shop, ground the seats, put new springs, new guides, and new cam chain, all new bearings in the engine and trans. Tried to create a perfect engine. The carbs were sonic clean, adjusted well. The reproduction tank set is beautiful, from Japan. Doremi seat, PMC mufflers, and dual front disc brakes. And it is an absolutely incredible. It's got 238 miles on it. I'll put a few more on. We're just testing everything, make sure everything's dialed in perfectly. You will not find a more completely restored motorcycle being offered. So let me cold start it. Everything we could to make this a beautiful restoration. And it does have new rear shocks. Those are pre-production. You'll never find a better motorcycle. There it is.